My lovely people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. This is the first time that you are seeing me. Thank you so much for stopping by. My return subscribers, I love you. So today I'm gonna post this video tomorrow. So today is Tuesday, 1st August 1st, my birthday. Nobody cares, it's my birthday. So happy birthday to me, Jane. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Look at this fine chick. Happy birthday, Jane. So when I saw this is what happened in the court today between the PDP lawyers and the judges. So the only reason I am bringing this up is the comment that the judges made with this. Let us read it together. So when you get to that thing that the judge said, you will then understand that these judges, they are paying attention. They are watching TV. They are listening to news. They know the tension in the country. So let me tell you how that came up, so that you will just know that you guys should just take cold water and chill and drink, because the judges are paying attention. Let us see. The PDP legal update today, 1st of August 2023. Justice Samani, Justice Samani and the PDP son Uche are going at it bumper to bumper. Sanami said, Chief Uche, why did you file a reply? You are not supposed to file a reply. You are a petitioner and entitled to file final address presenting your case and not file a reply to their own address. You don't have the right to reply. The PDP lawyer said, you said we can file this reply on 5th of July. Reminded the judges. This is what you said. Sanami said, Lana Silk, it is a matter of common sense. Okay. Then Sanami said again, you file 160 pages. In your final written address is 40 pages. Another one is 42 pages. And another final address here again is 120 pages. Then the PDP said, there are different cases to different final address. Sanami said, then you file one written address. He said, even if now 100, you're supposed to put all of them in one. The PDP said, no, my lord, it has never been done like it has never been done like that. There are different respondents, and they all file on different days, on different issues. Why would you say I should file one address? I don't agree to that. Jesus is Lord. The whole court is murmuring. What did she say? Is he talking to the judge? Oh my God, they are murmuring. What sort of technicality is this? And Sanami said, if so, you have 10 respondents, you will file 10 final addresses. PDP said, I will file addresses to all of them because they file on different dates, on different issues. So I have to address them all according, my God, according to the proper thing we have always done is respond to all of them. No. Okay. Sanami said, Chief Uche, I have pointed out to you what I want, and that is it. PDP said, my lord, they file separately. They are filed separately. Justice Bolaji said, so you file 3 replies. I have not seen where a plaintiff would file a reply to a defendant's reply. Okay, now you have seen one. Okay. PDP PDP said, my lord, we were definite on what we wanted to do. Obinito, and we will deliberately reply to all of them separately because they box us from different angles. So we had to box them each. They say these people think that they are smart. They want to make us look foolish. She said they do. We know what we are doing. If they think they can box us in the corner, we want to box them back. Sanami said, so you have 3 different ones here and a letter? And also a letter? San Uche said, oh, okay. Take out the letter and leave our 3 addresses. Now they're giving the judges. They are giving, because guess what? They know we are watching. They know we are listening. The lawyers say, okay, if the addresses and the letter is the problem, take out the letters, because hey, after all, the letter is what we wrote. But these addresses that we are talking about, we're going to have them. Justice Bello said, Leonard Silk, the law states final address and not a final address. You should have responded to it together. Justice Sanami said, so you are saying the letter can go? Now remember, they have a letter and they have the addresses. And then San Uche said, yes, my lord, that one is just an explanation, but 3 others must stay. The 3 others must stay. It is only right that we address each other finally. Justice Sanami said, okay, I will allow okay, I will allow it to be because this matter is critical. And the whole nation is attentive. And I don't want people to... Oh, Jane, calm down now. Hey, God. Start off again. Justice Sanami said, okay, I will allow it. Because this matter is critical. And the whole nation is attentive. And I don't want people to leave here and start saying another thing. Because when we leave here, now, don't be surprised what we would read out there. You know, all these our young ones. Who said these people are not paying attention? Oh, they said, hey, please, I will accept it. Oh, I will accept what you said that you wrote. I beg, I will accept it. I don't want to, when we live here now, all of you now will start talking. All these children, you know, these are our young children. They call us children. These justice people call us, oh no, they didn't call us children. They say young ones. You know, we're young. Even though most of us are older than them, but it's okay. They said, we won't be surprised if when we live here now, we hear all these young ones on social media or whatever. So they are listening. They are paying attention. They say the nation is watching. So they know what they are doing. Then APC or Olanipwekun, a citizenship by birth cannot be disqualified. The APC, oh, this is the APC lawyer, Olani Bekun, said a citizen by birth cannot be disqualified. And so the issue of a Guinean passport should not be considered. For the university certificate, oh, they are reading them one by one. The citizenship cannot disqualify anybody. Guinean passport should not be considered. For the university of certificate, that's a university certificate, my lord. There is no documentary or oral testimony from the Chicago State University disclaiming the second respondent, which is Tinubu certificate of the studentship. My lord, we want you to throw this petition as far as your hand can carry, because it holds no oh my God. It hold no jurisdiction or fact. He said, you see this thing that they put in here, throw all these things away, throw it as far as your hand can go. This thing, they are wasting your time. They are wasting the court time. Then, and APC continues. APC didn't stop. The APC said, only speak objection and demand. Oh, okay. Now they are replying what APC said there. They said, APC, you only speak objection and dismiss. If it is to bring witness now, you would they got to fighting. They told the APC people who want the judge to throw this thing as far as they want. He said, no, they're only to speak objection, and dismiss the case. That's the only thing you know. If it's to bring witness now, you want to hear their voice again. God. God. Sana, Olani Pekon. My Lord, there is no precedence on presidential election cancellation. San Uche, my learned colleague on the other side, said that the criminal offense is timely and INEC, the time has passed. San Uche, my learned colleague on the other side, said that the criminal offense is timely. It's timely. And INEC, the time has passed, then the offense has passed. He said it here, and the Constitution forgives. Well, my Lord, I am here to say that time does not run against crime. Mama, ewo, oh my God. San Uche, the person that is handling the case, he said, hey, my learned colleague said that because the time has passed since this criminality of a drug man has done the criminal, that's why INEC threw it away and said the time has passed. Then the lawyer said, my Lord, I am here to say that time does not run against crime. Hey! The whole courtroom shouted, yeah! Yes! You said what we have in our hearts. Oh my God. Justice Sanami said, Uche, we should not mislead the public. This thing is coming from the mouth of a senior advocate. When APC people were saying their own, why didn't anyway Uche say what to the tax? Let's see what Uche said. He said, Justice Sanami said, Uche, we should not mislead the public. This thing is coming from the mouth of the senior advocate. Some people already have their headlines, and that's not right. It is constitutional issue. They even remembered that it is the constitutional issue that we are here for. Let's read it again, I beg. What is this? It is written in the Constitution, so it's not any time that does not run against crime. It is just the Constitution. Let's not mislead the public. The Constitution states how long any crime can start. How long any crime can stand. Okay. Everyone is staring at Justice Sanami. Okay, let's see. San Uche said, well, my Lord, at least he admitted that the second respondent committed a crime. He said there's forgiveness in the Constitution, and even when there is forgiveness, let's not forget that there's also a punishment for a sin. This Uche, where is you? San, and not Uche continued. Yes, there is a punishment. San Uche said. San Uche continued to say, yes, there is a punishment for a sin. He repeated it 2 times in case the judges didn't hear it. Then Justice Tsunami said, Uche, You are a Christian. You are not a Christian. We don't, I beg. Christians forgive. And even Jesus said, go and sin no more. Where is this coming from? The judge is saying, go. The judge is reminding, according to what Uche said, and said, Justice Sinami said, Uche, you are a Christian. Yes. Are you not a Christian? Christian forgive. And even Jesus said, go and sin no more. That was Sanuche. This Uche, Sanuche said, that was Jesus Christ. Oh, me, I am not Jesus. I am not Jesus, okay? So I said I'm not Jesus. We are here to interpret the Constitution. The whole courtroom started laughing. Then Sanuche continued. Then, on precedence, my lord, my learned colleague said there is no precedence of annulling presidential election in Nigeria. Okay, now, Sanolanipo. Olanipekun, now stand up angrily like somebody beat him for nyash. He said, I take he's still objecting. I take objection to that. Don't misquote me. I am on my feet right now. Uche, so sit down. San Uche said, but I am still talking. I'm still talking. How can I sit down when I'm still talking? And you are using out of my time. You better sit down. This is my time. Are you okay? San Olani Pepkun. I am on my feet. It doesn't matter, sir. It doesn't matter, sir. Mr. Olani Pepkun, doesn't matter. This is Uche's time to continue what he's teaching you. I object to that. I allowed you to talk and kept my cool, since even when you are mentioning things that is not in your written address, I kept my cool. I don't talk. Please don't make me talk. I object to that statement you are making now. Don't do that. Then Uche said, San Uche said, well, I heard you clearly, and we all did. You said, precedence does not exist in an annulment of the presidential election. My lord, if I may go on, that president that they said has never happened can be created today and be done in the case today. Judge, take that. Okay. The whole courtroom is shouting, yes, sir! Justice Sanami said, interrupt with a smile on his face. But judgment is not today now. The whole courtroom is almost on the floor with laughter. Okay. San Uche, my lord, as I end this case, let that precedence be today. Heavens will not fall. This is San Uche. Can somebody please carry this hug? Or everything in this house, just carry this hug and kisses and be to him. He no agree. The man no agree for the justices to put him down. He said, who born monkey? Today we're going to put it here on the floor. Even if we have to fight, let's do it. Justice Sanami said. So we will inform you guys on the date of judgment. It was great listening to you all. Thank you all for coming. Thank you so much, Judge Sanami. I hope you guys remember what you guys said here, that the nation is watching, that you don't want people to go over there. He said people self have gotten their their headlines of what they're going to put according to what we are hearing. So, but my happiness that are making me make this video is that the justices are paying attention. The justices know what is going on. They are watching. They know that that the whole nation is watching what is happening in the country. So my people, so the whole place will calm down. Let us give the justices and let them know. All eyes on judiciary. Thank you all so much for watching. From me to you, I love you.